darlings, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing something different. I saw this makeup look with eggshell. Yes, using eggshell to do makeup. So I said like, all this while I've been eating eggs and I've been wasting the shell. So why not use it and then try out this? And so that's what we are doing today. So I got my eggshell. You guys can see. I broke them, I pieces them, so the way I want to use them. So this is that. So in case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. So let's just go into this video. Yeah. So to start this look, I am just going to start right away. I think the best way should be to put the glue on my skin. Hey God, oh. And I have a whole lot of acne on my face and I'm doing this. Guys. I think the first thing is to put the glue on my skin. Yes, and then I will stick the eggshell on it. So I have to be very fast with this because I have my fan here. This is the first eggshell. Let's see whether this will work or not. I tell you, shoot me. Okay. Okay. I shall be able to talk while we are doing this. Okay. Okay, let's just add another one here. These big ones, I think I should. This God, this give me. God, wait, hold on. I'm taking that out. I think I'll find a way to put one that will be more comfortable there. So this other part, before this glue will dry off, let's see. And I'll try as much as possible to. My eggshell doesn't have the same color, but don't worry, we'll still put foundation on top. And I devised a means of placing it so that everywhere will be covered, like what I mean is breaking this shell on my face. If I had known about this, it would have been a lot easier for me before. Like, see, wait, let me show you guys. I placed this one now, right? I'll do it like this. Yeah, you see, it's done. So we'll continue placing. I should have covered my eyebrows with maybe tape before this because I don't know what will be the fate of my eyebrows when I'm done with this. I don't know. So, oh, someone to fall. So guys, see, I'm not adding here. I don't want it to get to the hairlines that I don't have. Maybe we'll wear a wig and then we'll cover it. What do you guys think? At this point, I think I'm okay with placing of the shell. So next thing I will do will be to put my contact lens. I hope I can be able to do that, and then I will start the foundation process. So let's just go with it. And so my contact lens is on now. I didn't put it before because anytime I put this contact lens on, I feel like I'm not seeing well again. My vision will become somehow. So I didn't want to put it initially so that I will see road and put these things. So now that I'm done with this, it's time for foundation. I hope that this thing will not fall off when I put foundation on it. I just hope that it won't. Okay, so let's go there. This would take a whole lot of foundation than I imagined. Like, it would take a whole lot of foundation. Let's just continue. So I had to switch this foundation and use a foundation that I don't normally use all the time. Just because I don't want to use the foundation I bought how much for this, because it appeared to be taking more foundation than I thought that it would take. So it's better I use something that is not that expensive for it. So
it's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe. Your makeup game elevated, you'll thrive. Lifestyle tips that help you come alive. Joy and shadow, where dreams collide. Brush in my hand, I paint the day anew. Joy shadow makes the sky less blue. Lifestyle treasure shared with hearts so true. A place for everyone, for me and for you. Joy shadow, where beauty meets the vibe.
So guys, this is it. This is what eggshell makeup looks like. Makeup on eggshell, this is what it looks like. Let nobody convince you that this is fine. This is not fine. I hope I've been able to convince you and prove to you that this is not fine. Like, how is this even a trend? Like, this one is wishy trend. And I think this contact lens makes it look more scary. If you guys agree with me, then see, I can practically hear it. See, and I can't talk well. Sorry guys, I can't talk well because it's not itchy actually. I don't know what to say. I'm feeling a kind of not itchy, but my skin is tight. Like, it's tight. Yes, that's the word. My face is so tight right now. This thing didn't take me much time actually. It didn't take me much time. What wasted my time was the foundation. If I had known I would have gone with a lot of foundation and then use a darker shade to contour it, but I was saving my darker shade because it's a good foundation. I didn't want to waste it on this, but I later had to use it to contour this stuff. And as you guys can see, you can try it if you wish to. Yes, I just use, how many eggs did I use? I think 6, but I didn't use all of it. Maybe 5 eggs will be enough for it. So this is it. So my lovelies, if you watch this video up until this moment, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel, please. Until I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
Your makeup game elevated, you'll thrive. Lifestyle tips that help you come alive. Join Shadow, where dreams collide. From smoky eyes to a natural glow, join Shadow, teaching you all you need to know. It's more than beauty, it's the life we show. Confidence and grace everywhere we go. Join Shadow, where beauty meets the vibe.